So now let's talk about saving and accessing your design files in Canva. So let's say you choose a design, something like a poster. So I'm just going to choose something like a template and click on this design right over here, and the poster template is there. So where is it saved? That's the question. So in order to be sure that it's saved onto the Canva cloud is to see this area right over here. When it says all changes saved, then it's a safe bet that it is saved, and you can go back to home and it'll be saved over there. So how do you access it? You actually get your designs right over here on the home page, or if you don't find this here for some reason, then you can go to all your designs on the left side right over here. You'll find all your designs there. But it says something, it says untitled design. So what you can do is you can simply click on it and say my first design right over there, rename that out, and there you go. So that has been saved. So it's actually generating a thumbnail. That's why I don't see anything. But later, as it processes, you'll actually see a thumbnail as well. So you can click over here and then you get to the page where you can continue designing. So, and you can see the my first design name right over here. If you want to change it, you can simply say starting design, just like that, and the file name will be changed. So it's saving the changes, all changes saved. Again, now it's safe to actually go back. So you can go back from the home just like that, and you'll see your designs, and you can see the thumbnail as well. So it does take a bit of time to process, and once it's processed, you can see the thumbnail, you can differentiate it, you can click on it, edit again. So that is how you can save your files. Actually, the saving is done by Canva itself, but that is how you access your designs in Canva, continue working on it. So and another beautiful thing about Canva is that you can work from one computer and then everything is automatically saved into the cloud. You can log in with another computer and access the same files. So you can do that in Canva. So that's how you save and access design files inside of Canva. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.